YouTube, Diesel Lamp Feeders here. So figured I'd make a little video on this. Now I know not too many people really use anything that's wired. That's becoming kind of rare actually, because everything's pretty much battery powered at this point. But this right here is probably one of my longest owned tools at this point. It's been through so many projects. I've had the welder next to it. There's weld marks literally burnt into it, but it just always works. I've never had a problem with it not working, and it just, between all the abuse I've put onto it this year, it just keeps going. This is the only thing that's really gone wrong on it. It's not really gone wrong, it's just me abusing it, and honestly I'm just gonna end up gluing it right back into place. It still works fine. I don't have to actually do anything. That might actually be something I do today, because I would like to fix it before it gets worse, obviously. Take this off and put it aside, and you could probably honestly just buy another one. But yeah, so that is something that is going to have to be fixed, but that's about it. Alright, so there, I've had it for over 5-6 years now, at least actually 6-7 years now. It just continuously works, and that's kind of rare to find these days, honestly. Now I bought this 7-inch one because I do a lot of grinding and metal cutting, and I don't have the money for a plasma cutter. So I figured, let's upgrade, but in a cheaper fashion. And it was on sale for 120 bucks at the store, so I got pretty happy about that. And it came with this nice carrying bag here, Dewalt carrying bag. And oh yeah, here we go. That stuff, look at this. Oh man, that is a grinder. This is nice. It's heavy, but man, you can feel the strength in this when you're going to be grinding. And that's really what I look for in a tool. You know, I like to see the reliability factor in it, because it really is pretty hard to find something that's going to last a while, and especially last through me. I gotta always add that in, because I do not treat my tools lightly at all. So it seems like that just tightens down, and that's how you move that. Got a few tools here. And this is partially an unboxing. And honestly, it's just one of those videos just for people's essay on it, because they really do make great tools. Now let's see, how do I usually hold this? No, it's definitely the other way. Now I gotta remember. No, maybe it is this way. I don't remember. I gotta work my left arm anyway a little more. Go like that. Screw this on. Yeah, honestly, they in terms of like, if it's gotten cheaper, I don't think it really has. Honestly, it feels about the same quality as my older Dewalt here. I believe it came with some grinding discs as well, which it did. Nice. Oh yeah, look at that. 5 Dewalt grinding discs. Now let's see if I can still remember how to do this. different setups. Let's see, it's gonna go. There we go. This, that looks like how it goes. And then this tightens down right on top. Yeah. Yep. And there we go. It should be pretty nice and tight. And then this is just a screwdriver. It's gonna hold it down. See if I have one around, and I do not. Not that I see, at least. Like this. Okay, what do you guys think of this thing? This thing is pretty beastly. This is gonna be able to grind all my stuff way faster, and even cut. Put them side by side. Show you even like the colors haven't really changed, but you can see the difference in size. So that's the 4.5, and that's got the 7-inch grinding wheel on it. Definitely excited to see how this thing works and performs. I'm just, like I said, I'm tired of using the smaller one for all the big grinding stuff that I have to do. Don't get me wrong, it works great, but this is just going to work better for a lot of my applications that I've been using lately, especially like grinding on the truck and grinding on the four-wheelers, the go-kart, for instance, right here. You know, you guys can't see that. I haven't released those videos, but yeah, overall, it's great. They've always been great. I love Milwaukee too, so I'm not gonna say that I don't like them. I have Ryobi drills too. I have pretty much everything under the sun when it comes to like different brands. Everything besides Makita. I've never really had Makita. But yeah, tell me what you guys think of this video. Figured I'd show you guys what comes with this 7-inch ink grinder. Yeah, that's all I really got. If you guys have any questions, as usual, comment, rate, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. Feel free to. So, yep. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.